my lord, wanted to pass orders in the presence of the physical presence of the petitioner.
Yes, what is happening? Why is she not complying with the orders of the court? That's why she's asked to be before the court. Let her say. Then how you want to deal with this? With your daughter's state of mind? Is it that if she wants, you give a medicine to her because something is bitter, you'll not give her? The child will resist generally, even for taking a medicine also, she will resist. Not your daughter, anybody for that matter will resist because it is not tasty. So does it mean that we will only do things which are of her liking? And you have to think about the future of the child. When you also know that what kind of a state of mind she is it not your duty? By this time, everything should have happened. It only appears that the court is only interested in the welfare of the child than the mother. What the doctor said, you remember what the doctor said? It is not possible to do that kind of a counseling. Then this court had interacted with the director of, he said, I just wanted to know personally whether it is possible on coming on a daily sessions and all. He said no. To evaluate her, she has to be there. And you understand, if you're not doing it at this point of time, what will happen to her? At that point of time, every day she was traveling 25-30 kilometers. Then how do you, what now she, yes, we'll take what you say, that your daughter is not interested to go. And if she, unless and until she is interested, you will not do anything to her. So how do you want to deal with all this? And you know what is her submission, what she has stated before me in the chambers? And how do you deal with it now? It has to be dealt with, isn't it? And if you're, come up with a problem, come up with a solution. And the court do not want her to be admitted. The court, there is some hospital better than where my daughter can be treated. Then we'll ask a report from that. But not on a day-to-day counseling, it will not happen. That's what the doctors are saying. You also know about it. But you should have done it. And when was the order passed by this court? I think it's almost 4-5 months. When was the order?
Absolutely, my lord.
When was the order passed?
13.
Huh?
My lord, the visitation has stopped. I have not been allowed to see my child. My lord, there have been number of orders, my lord, which have been consistently violated by her on the same pretext.
And the problem with your client is only concerned with the visitation.
Not just
when
that.
The daughter is saying so many things,
my lord,
then why he wants to see her
my lord,
at this stage with her state of mind now? He has also understand what is this visitation. First of all, there is a problem. How to deal with the problem should be the concern.
My lord, yes.
Not that I want visitation all the time.
My lord, my client
and
is
the daughter is
cooperating with
showing
the
a lot of reluctance, and for that only we want her to have a counseling. But your client is not at all bothered about anything except visitation. If he has visitation, fine.
No, it's not that. My lord, kindly do not take me amiss. My client was present at each and every date, even on the 30th or the 30th.
No, that the court will look into, but don't tell the court about the visitation.
No, my lord.
That's not the stage for visitation now. What you have to look at is how to get her out of all that. And then you can have visitation.
My lord, kindly, my lord, protects my daughter. Kindly protects my daughter, my lord. I will explain, my lord.
Under the...
Because she has filed a false complaint, I have the liberty under law, my lord, to go
what is wrong with him?
Nothing, my lord. Yes, how kindly, my lord, appreciates the ignominy.
Please understand. No, that has to be decided. So you want to use this order for that?
No, certainly not. That was filed, my lord, some time back. Because, my lord,
sometime means when? When is after the order was passed?
No.
Yes. What is going to happen now? Which the girl knows the difference between a private hospitals and that hospital is a hospital for her.
So activities and the hygiene that has been the primary concern of the child.
Of the child or the mother?
I concern, my lord. She is more than concerned. She is showing resistance, my lord. We can somehow anything that is okay with the father petitioner as well, my lord. Private hospital on their suggestion for a counsel.
Neither you are understanding what the court is saying, nor your client is understanding. Counseling is not on a day-to-day basis. What is done is not possible.
That time hit by a.
That's why please tell the court what it is. You can't tell just like that, say, where is that hospital? Which is that hospital? No, you know what you want, then you should find out. Let's not go to what has happened earlier. Now what is going to happen? That's what the court wants to know. And happily, like from 3 months, nothing has been done except, coming up with problems. That, this. Where is the intention on the part of the mother to take care of the psychological needs of the child, which are more important? Court need not ask her to what is to be done. She should have done and she should have come up with it. Until somebody, the other side comes and tells the court, you just keep quiet. If she's taking her and if it is really working out, she would have not said to the court what she was saying on that day. So what does it mean? That what is she doing is not working out. It's not about academics. That's even on the day when she was telling all that also she was doing good. So then why the father is not permitted to see her when she's all absolutely normal? If she's normal, then the father should see her. She can meet her.
So you
So,
yourself
no,
have
if
made
you
your
say that she is all right, let the father have visitation. If everything is happening and she is now all right, let the father have visitation every week. Then we'll see how it is working out. If she is normal, let us not send her to hospital. Let the father exercise visitation.
My Lord, in my presence.
Hmm?
My prayer is in my presence. Because we want to, as you say, let us observe. So let us, let her gradually get accustomed to the
In your
arrangement.
presence means you will go to his house.
Not in-house, my Lord.
Hmm.
In, wherever we were meeting that,
No.
whatever order you passed for the 4 Sundays, if you remember, we will adhere to that order weekly.
When is the vacation for the girl?
Vacation starts, this week only,
How many days?
10 days.
Where are you going in these 10 days? For these 10 days, at some convenient time, let her tell the time. Let the father have the visitation for continuously. Then we will see what is happening.
My Lord,
Sometime
continuously
or
as in,
Vacation, after that, it has to be once in a week. No vacation, he'll come if he'll come wherever you want him to come.
During the vacation period, my lord, once in 3 days.
Let it be one day. Because all that time, for the last 3 months, without any visitation, your client could be successful.
one day. But okay, my Lord.
Huh?
Okay.
Every day.
Every
Every day,
My lord,
not
that-
one day in the vacation.
My Lord,
lord,
Huh?
at least the native days we can try initially, my lord.
It's always try. Why try?
It is not up to me, my lord. It is to the child.
Child will do it. Have to do it. When you say that you're taking her to counseling and she's doing very well, then she should meet the father. No
One-
problem. Huh? One?
1 hour every.
Yes. Where?
My lord, she can come to my place. My mother is there, a grandmother. My lord, I have CCTVs installed. I will deposit the entire footage before this honorable court.
my Lord,
But
No. Why the grandmother is coming in now? You're not having visitation from the last couple of months. Now, when the court is granting you something, first of all, meet the child every day, 1 hour for till the vacation. Then we will see, basing on what happens. So it should be on somewhere the mother's presence is there. That's good for you,
My lord,
for
the
your
only-
client.
the only issue is, my lord, we have seen.
The daughter will not talk to him because I've seen her. I've seen the kind of
My lord,
resistance she has.
if the mother is not there, that is the entire case from day one. Kindly sees, my lord, the last time my lord ordered visitation at our flat, the learned lawyers were also
Seen that,
present.
I've seen the
She was
photographs.
quite comfortable.
It
She
is
was
not,
drawing, she was
it is
drawing
not
sketches.
how he's projecting it. I've seen the videos and everything. This is not that it went on how he's projecting it.
The problem is, my lord, the mother will cling on to the child and she will not look at the father even. That has always been the case.
Please come. The
1 hour.
court has already passed an order.
Having exclusivity.
This court has
Let it
passed
be a
an,
public place, I don't mind.
this court has passed an order permitting the, passed an order Where were the,
If I may, uh, she wants to take a break for some time.
No.
So may I just request that the vacation is still there. The father will be meeting, will be adhering. I'll be bringing my child every day over the vacation. But can we please start from Sunday? Every day I will adhere. I give you my word. I will bring my child.
then holidays are till?
14th is when the school reopens.
Then let it be 2 hours then. You go out, come back. Let it be 2 hours. There is a lot of reluctance from the daughter. And in fact, she has been taking her to counseling and now she has improved emotionally and otherwise. And they find a lot of change in her. Considering the said submission, this court is making an interim arrangement. The father can exercise visitation for 2 hours between 6 to 8 or 4 to 6. Not
6 to 8.
necessary.
6
Yes.
to 8, madam.
Huh?
6 to 8.
Between-
My lord, please keep the timing flexible. I give you my word. I will communicate.
She will come up with
Because-
So
everything.
when both of you are not going well together, how do you expect it to happen at your convenience? You have to tell the
Okay.
court and there should be an order in that regard. What is the convenient time to you? You tell the time then. Because you also work, right?
Yes, my lord.
She also works. During the daytime, it's not possible. 6 to 8 would be the convenient time, I think.
Okay, my lord.
Between 6 to 8 in so and so, the mother shall cooperate with the visitation and shall see that the father spends a qualitative time with the daughter. Yes.
In her presence, my lord, is not going to, she'll cling on to the child. She'll not allow her to look at me. There is a history of this, my lord. I have brought many pictures and applications on record, starting from the court of the learned principal family judge.
First of all, let the child, at least your client, see the child first.
Right.
We will make arrangement. Everything can't be done in one day.
Right.
Yes.